Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. Right, here's an update on the signal box. So I've just glued on the final gutter, the one I prepared in the last signal box video. I had glued it on when I was filming, but for some reason the camera didn't want to behave this time here. So it's glued on. You can see that there's a join that comes down like this and empties into this one over here. The glue and glaze is still fresh. I use glue and glaze, of course. There it is. And then I added another spot of glue and glaze up here to make sure it's well anchored onto the gutter. So that's our gutters complete. So let's see what we have to do next. Next, there is the lamp. We have to glue the lamp on. And then there will be the toilet, then there will be the balsa base and the toilet. Right, now I've glued the lamp, the signal box lamp, to the signal box using glue and glaze. This was quite difficult to do because the lamp has only got this bent wire arm, and I put some glue and glaze on the arm and also on the signal box, and now I'm letting the glue dry with the lamp supported by these two short pencils, stubby pencils. So we're just going to leave this here overnight and see if it'll glue on 100%. So that was the final job on the signal box before fitting the balsa base, which I'm going to make tomorrow probably, and we're very, very close to the end of this job. So here it is with the lamp fitted. There we go. The bulb, the white reflector, and the gutters that come down and empty out here. I also made a bend, the bend so that it, oops, excuse me, you can see. We can say that this is complete. Now we need to fit the base, the ladder, and the toilet here at the back. And that's one very big job finished. I can't even remember when I started.